For running Python in Termux prompt, launch Termux, install the package pkg install Python. This will install Python 3 version in your Termux prompt. Here the installation process has begun, but I think it is not completed, so you need to give the command again, package install Python. Here it has started the installation. Now Python is getting installed in the Termux environment. You can see the status. Installation is in progress. Now the installation is complete. For launching Python, you need to type Python, press enter. Now you can see the prompt here. For testing the commands, type any command of Python. Here I am using Python print statement. So let us see. That's it. Here the Python is working. For coming out of Python prompt, you need to issue exit command. Now you are back to your Termux prompt. For clearing the screen, you may use clear. Thank you so much.